In this quick guide, I'll show you how to buy Udemy credits so you can start exploring more courses right away. The process is simple and you can do it from any browser. Begin by opening your preferred browser and searching for Udemy. Once the website loads, log into your account if you haven't already. At the top right of the home page, you see your profile picture. Click on it and a menu will open. Look through the options and select Udemy Credits. Depending on your account, this may be inside your account settings, so be sure to check carefully if you don't see it immediately. When the Udemy Credits page opens, you will find an option to buy credits. Click on the button that says Buy Credits and you will be taken to the list of credit packages available. Take a moment to decide which package fits your needs and your budget. Once you've chosen the amount you want, select the option to pay with a credit card. You will now see a screen where you can enter your payment details. Make sure your card information is accurate before continuing. If you have a promo code, you can apply it here as well. Look for the option that says Have a promo code, enter your code and confirm that it works before moving on. After reviewing your details and confirming everything is correct, finalize your purchase. Within a moment, you'll receive a confirmation message or email letting you know your credits have been added to your account. And that's all there is to it. You are now ready to use your Udemy credits to unlock new courses and keep your learning journey going. Enjoy exploring.